Hi, welcome back to Kitchen Treks. Today we're making Thai iced tea, which is my favorite drink in the entire world. Normally Thai iced tea is consumed in the summertime, but I like to drink it every month of the year. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to make it at home without having to buy the authentic Thai tea powder. So let's get started. Here's method 1. You're gonna need 1.5 tablespoons of a strong black tea, and I'm using Ceylon tea from Sri Lanka. You're also gonna need a cinnamon stick and 1 or 2 pods of star anise. If you can find it, you can also add in a vanilla bean pod, but those are like outrageously expensive, so I'm just gonna use vanilla paste. You're also gonna need 2 teaspoons of turmeric for color, and then 1 tablespoon of whole cardamom pods. In addition to your vanilla pods, or in my case, my vanilla paste, we're also gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna add all of this to a pot. And around 1.5 cups of water. And you want to give it a mix and take it to the stove to boil. Right before it reaches a boil, you can go ahead and add in the sugar of your choice. You can add in sugar in the raw, which is what I'm doing, or normal white granulated sugar, or even coconut sugar, or stevia, whatever you want. Once it's reached a boil, you want to turn the heat down to a low and let it steep for 3 minutes. While your tea is steeping and boiling, you want to go ahead and prepare your sweetened condensed milk. So I've just poured out around 1/4 cup of a can of sweetened condensed milk, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Oh, you were supposed to shake this. Whatever. And now I'm going to froth this up. It's not on cold foam level, but it's a bit frothy, which is good. Now we're ready to assemble the drink. So I filled up a mason jar with ice. Then I'm bringing over the tea I brewed to the workstation, and I'm gonna give it another mix to make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom. Once it's mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and take a tea strainer, put it over my cup, and fill up the cup with mostly tea. Then I'm gonna top it off with this delicious, delicious sweetened condensed milk mixture all the way to the top. And I'm gonna use a huge straw and give it a stir. Are you kidding? Time for a taste test. Oh my God. It's delicious. Now it's time for method 2. Method 2 is quick and easy. If you don't want to go through all of those steps and buy all of those ingredients for method 1, I would recommend my favorite way of creating Thai tea at home. There's this women-owned company called Tea Drops. Tea Drops has created this kit so it's easier for you and you don't have to always buy all of those ingredients and measure everything out because it's all right here. They gave you this tea drop packet, bagless tea, might I add, and it comes with a sweetened condensed milk creamer. So all you're gonna do is get another mason jar, open up the tea drop, boil some water in a kettle, and pour it over the tea drop. I'm getting a packet of milk and adding it in. You don't have to add any sugar, you don't have to add anything else. Then I'm gonna add in some cold water since it's an iced drink. And I'm gonna top it off with some ice. And this is the Tea Drop Thai iced tea. Oh my God. And this tastes very authentic. and it's also more orange. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make Thai iced tea, I would definitely recommend purchasing this Thai tea kit from Tea Drops, and I'm including my referral link down below. And there you have it, 2 ways of making Thai iced tea without having to buy the Thai tea powder.